verses of the Quran, there are three that stand out in my mind. The first is when God Almighty tells us, وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلَ لِتَعَارَفُوا, that God has made us into tribes and nations, not that we may despise one another, but that we may get to know one another, honor one another, respect one another. And the verse that in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, God Almighty, tells his prophet and all of us, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ, and God has endowed every human being with dignity. And lastly, given that we have these differences, not just in nations and tribes and ethnicities and races, but also creed, God reminds us in the Quran that he made us diverse. So who are we to impose belief upon anybody? But what is our role then, given that there will be diversity of creed and faith? He tells us, فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ, strive as if in a race in doing virtue. Compete in goodness. That is our role, and that is what brings us together across difference here today.